Hello and welcome back to my closet. I'm Amy if you're new, and here we do vlogs, we do thrifting, we do cooking, we do lifestyle stuff, and today I'm going to show you what's in my everything bag. Some people call it a walking pharmacy, some people call it a just-in-case bag, but it's the little thing in your purse that holds all your just-in-case essentials. I've been using this one for quite a while, but I want to change it up into something a little bit smaller, so this is what we're doing today. My very first video ever was on my everything bag, and it was bigger than this then. Do I still have that case somewhere? Maybe. I don't know. Anyway, we are going to update this sucker and take out some things that are expired, restock some things, do all the stuff, but I want to use this little baby. This is a beautiful Longchamp little makeup bag that I got in London, literally right before I got on the plane to leave, because there was a Longchamp shop right by the gate at the airport, and that's where I got this little guy. It was like I still had pounds left, and I decided rather than bringing them home, I would spend them, and I got this, and I got a La Pliage bag. So yeah, I don't buy luxury things pretty much ever, so I do have these. Anyway, so let's get back into what I have in this. So I just emptied out my old one, and I'll show you what I normally have in there. So I have this little pill case. This also has a heart-shaped sticky on it that my daughter put in there. Great. This is a little pill case I got at the Container Store in Tampa for 99 cents because the sticker's still on it. But you can get little pill cases, anywhere. But I'm sure these things are way more than 99 cents now. But I have like cold and headache pills there. I have an extra dose of my prescription medication. I always like to have enough things on my person, in my purse. Okay. In case I am stuck somewhere for the night. I know that seems strange. I grew up with a Air Canada employee as a mother, so whenever we traveled, there was always a risk of getting stuck somewhere. I also grew up living 20 minutes out of town, so when I went to town, it was usually for the day. It was like I would go to school, I'd have dance after, I would be doing all the things, and I want to have everything with me. And then when I was older and I had a boyfriend in town and he was in university and sometimes I'd stay at his house, I wanted to have everything with me. So this is kind of how this came about. So I have my cold and headache medication. I have a dose of my prescriptions. And here I actually have Gravol for my kids in case we're on a road trip or something and I just forget it and it's always there. This is one of my favorite things in my everything bag. These are little tiny screwdrivers. They're blurry. There we go. You will not believe how many times these mini screwdrivers have come in handy. And they came in a Christmas cracker. And I've had them in there ever since. And they're usually just in the pocket of my bag, but this larger compartment of this pill case, I didn't have anything in it, and this fit in there perfectly, and it was just easier to keep track of them. So that's where that is. So I have this. It was a very long-winded story about my pill case. So what else? I have like makeup things, again, in case I'm stuck somewhere. I have these things. So I have a little concealer. This is by Tarte. This was one of these like samples in the Sephora like checkout aisle. I have the tiniest brow gel known to humankind that came in my recent Ipsy bag, which I am not getting anymore because it was kind of a ripoff. But they used to be good. I don't know. I tried it again. Anyway, this is just like, look at this. This is the tiniest. thing. It's like the size of my nose. I have a little tiny, what is this called? Eyeliner. This was like in a set. I got at Winners that had the mascara and 2 of these pencils. So I thought this is a little mini mascara. I actually don't know where this came from. It's Urban Decay Wild Lash. I'm not exactly sure where this came from. It might have been Sephora sample when you buy something and you get at points. And then this actually came in a subscription box at some point, but it's a little eyeshadow stick. It's probably the biggest thing that I have in here. But it's by Thrive and I really like it. And I keep forgetting I have it. I should probably put this in with my regular makeup and put my smaller one. I have this eyeshadow stick that is Laura Mercier, but that's all I got left. Like, it's kind of pointless to put that in there because there's nothing left in it. But then again, I don't use it very much, so maybe that's a plan. What else do I got in here? This is a smaller one. There's more in that one. Let's use this one. This is a Tres Tonique. I don't know. Anyway, I'll put that one in instead. And Laura Mercier is almost gone. But anyway, see, this is what I need to do. Update, take out old things, put in new things. Okay, so that's the makeup. I have a hand cream. This one came in my advent calendar this year. So that's got to go in there. I don't know how I'm fitting it all in there. This is going to be a new addition. I know I have the screwdrivers already, but this is an eyeglass repair kit. Mostly it's for the little tiny screws, but I feel like if I probably only need the little packet with the screws and the eye pad things. I don't wear glasses that need these little nose pad things, but the little screws are there. I don't know, maybe I just need this and not the screwdrivers. All right, let's go with that. I'll leave those screwdrivers there. So that was eyeglass repair kit. A hair tie, hair elastic. This thing has, I think it came from like the dollar spot in Target like 8 years ago. Anyway, it's still there. That's good. I have a panty liner. I should need to get a tampon and put in there. Tampon. There we go. I knew I saw one somewhere. So I got that there. I have a eyeglass lens wipe. These are just Life brand that came from Shoppers in a big box. This is the last one I have. It has been through the ringer and in that for a while, but I suppose it's not dried out. But I don't want to open it and find out it's good and then I can't put it back. All right. Anyway, that's an eyeglass. I'll put that in and hope for the best. I also have like a regular glasses wipey cleaner thing. Okay. I don't know how I'm getting this all in. I have tweezers. I have to have tweezers because you know, when you get in the car and the light is just right, like waiting for something and you put down your mirror and then you can see the chin hairs, or you can get a really good tweeze on your eyebrow. Like the car light is amazing. Not the actual car light, but like when daylight sitting in your car. You know what I mean. Okay. Band-Aids. I have Band-Aids and 2 blister block Band-Aids for footwear, depending on what I'm wearing. Nail clippers. They go in there. I have a Vagisil wipe, just in case I'm somewhere overnight and you need a little freshen up. I have this 4-in-1 correcting primer. That's pure. That's the brand that I love, the pressed powder. I think this came in a set that TJ had when she just wanted the pressed powder, but it all came in a set in a bag. Anyway, she gave me that. I also have an emery board and a nail file. I don't think I need both of these, but it really is nothing. So I will just leave both of those. There's not really anything to worry about. I have itty bitty scissors. These came with one of those little crappy sewing kits. And it's also amazing how many times these have come in handy. When you gotta cut a tag off something, or when I have a 8-year-old who just wants to do random crafts at any point in time and just wants to cut out hearts. So my battery's gonna die. Great. Okay. See how far I can get before my battery dies. I have sugar packets. Because you know, when you get the drive-through coffee and you place your order, you don't know. You don't know. So sometimes the coffee is crap and you need more sugar. That's the only way you can deal with crappy coffee sometimes. So I have 4 sugar packets and a raw sugar packet. This is excessive. We don't need this many. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I have 2 possible mirrors. This one is a little like it can stand. Well, they both do that. They both stand up. I don't know if I need both of which one is going to work. This one or this one. This actually came in a Christmas cracker as well. Maybe this one did too. I don't know. I don't remember. I don't remember where this one came from. But I don't need both. I don't know. We'll see which one fits nicely. I have another eyeliner. This one's a liquid eyeliner. I don't need 2 because I have a pencil eyeliner. All right. Again, good thing I'm doing this. And my most recent addition is I got these Pond's individually wrapped makeup facial wipes, makeup remover facial wipes. I found a bag of these individual wipes with like 200 in them for $1.99 at Piper's. Piper's is, I'm pretty sure it's just local to Newfoundland and only to St. John's, really. That was when I was in a few weeks ago. Anyway, pretty sure no one else has Piper's. But yeah, that's that. And the last, I got some new items that I never used to carry. I have earplugs. These are like fake, like dupes for the loop earplugs. They're not actually loops, but they're like fake ones. I have these for me also in case my son needs them. He is ADHD and is on the autism spectrum. He's very high functioning, like totally normal kid, but sound overwhelms him and me. So I have earplugs in there just in case. I have the tiniest and cutest deodorant ever. Native does these little tiny deodorant. Now, I love the smell of Native deodorants. I also have a bigger one of this version. I don't find they work great, but I'm a sweaty person, so that's anyway. This was too cute, and in a pinch, it fits. It's smaller than any other like travel size deodorant I have ever found. And it's skinny. You know, the other ones are fat and they're bigger. And then the very last thing that I need to try and put in there is a tape measure, not sticky tape measure, for thrifting purposes. Because you never know when you can't try something on, or you see a piece of furniture, or any number of reasons you need to measure how big it is. So yeah, now I have to see if I can squeeze it all into that little tiny bag. Don't know. Check back.
Few moments later.
Okay, change of angle because sitting over there, my camera died, so now I had to plug it in. All right, so back what I was saying, I switched out the tape measure to this little one that's kind of like a more industrial one, but it's smaller, so that's fine. So that fits better. And yeah, so now I have to see if this is gonna be any better in my purse that I'm using. I have this thrifted Lululemon crossbody bag, not one of those like fanny pack ones, but I think they're called festival bags. Anyway, I have one of those that I thrifted. I say thrifted, but I got it on Poshmark. Does that still count as thrifted? I mean, it's used. Anyway, I am gonna see if this works and I'll report back. So I hope this inspires you to start a everything bag or a walking pharmacy or just in case bag or whatever it is you want to call it. And I hope you stick around and see what else I have up my sleeve that I'm not wearing. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe, like, give me a comment. All those things help push my video. And if you've been around, you know I am trying to push this and fix a broken channel that I had. So please, please, please do all those things. And we will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.